Hello and welcome to another episode here on Mzansi's Finest Videos. My name is Davis Mohomo and I hope you'll enjoy this one. In the meantime, like, comment and share. Yeah, I just received the hail now in the restaurant.
Mina ngakwenza konke mfethu. Ngeke ngidlala isitokfela esine-uniform. Hayi, phela ukukakamela lo. Ngoba sifake ikipa yellow ibhala isitokfela nation ngemuva. No G. Hayibo usibaba kabala.
Society.
Avele ngibe ne-uniform primary, high school. Ngiphume esikoleni. Ngingene efemini ngine-uniform. Esontweni ngine-uniform.
Society.
Ubaba kabala. Lenziwa ama-uniform. Hayibo. Mina ngiyabona futhi isitokfela ngidlale lo Peter. Hayi ke ngasifaka uniform. Okay. Ubaba kabala. Awona ama-uniform amangaka. Buka usumdala ne-uniform esontweni. Yasesitokfeleni. Yasemsebenzini. Abazavelela manje.
From esikolweni.
Ngaphi. Ngeke ngakwenza lokho.
ene ngwe go hore lo ka reka di Hennessy 12 go monateng or wa reka di Domperio nna ka di rekela 12 ya Henneken or ya Corona o kusala yo tawa o tshwana ha ona tawa nsi billion or se Kreste babi ke babi hengu go ba go tawa o tshwana
amantombazana asebenzisa iFNB neAbsa awacelana imali
Okay.
bese kube lezinja leze Capitec
Wow.
iCapitec ifuya ama scam yazi
Manje wayithi zinja.
Kuselethini abafana ngisho ngingathini omakoti bama vape ngithi awu baby sorry bengisabhema yazi.
Dating an articulate woman is not for the weak, especially those who speak fluent English. Uthi samnqando sathi hayi baby khawuye kuba nedrama yo acting umntana abantu athi your blatant disregard for my emotional integrity is appalling. Usamamele leyo umvesithi your egregious negligence towards the sanctity of my emotional equilibrium is nothing short of abhorrent. The brazen temerity with which you contort the truth and engineer psychological hallucination stands as an irrefutable evidence of your narcissistic inclinations. I shall no longer permit myself to be muted nor my existence to be trivialized. Confront the devastation you've orchestrated and assume accountability for your deplorable conduct.
Okay.
Mbali,
Okay.
Mbali,
Alright.
Mbali, bevelathi sabaweli Hopkins. Ebengcono usne ovelathi as introduce at my name is I'm discombobulated. I'm flabbergasted. I'm flabberwhelmed.
Yeah.
And we can't wait for that man to come into our
We
lives.
are going
you
to
know.
share a man one day.
In the morning. Okay, obviously when he sleeps in the middle, right? And then, so we're going to share a man.
Oh,
with
they
my
look
sister.
together.
That's the first thing I was supposed to say. So we're going to share a man with
They
my
are
sister.
from both.
And then he'll be our, you know, and then he'll get us pregnant at the same time. And then the rest we'll talk about them after.
Yo.
So we're going to give birth to triplets. I hope that man, I hope he has got a lot of money, because there's no way that we are going to get married to one man and the next thing we wake up in the morning and go and work. No, we're not going to.
And you want us to eat pap and tomatoes everything?
Everything eating. We've been eating
all our lives. We can't eat pap and tomato every day.
Bathong ba
So
modimo.
that man, we're waiting. I think he's from Zimbabwe or Nigeria or South Africa, somewhere.
O qadile ka e nngwe.
Somewhere.
Nigeria and
Wait.
Zimbabwe and South Africa.
Yo.
Ungathathi imali bonus lokugcina uthi uyothenga itini nosemende ohlala unyaka wonke lento kube ngazathi uloyi kanti awuloyanga.
Shota ngemali.
Thatha imali yo deposita into ezokulekelela ukuthi ufeze umsebenzi kaThixo. Glory to Jesus. Lento enamandla. Thatha imali yo deposit ipholo. Uhambe kahle uyibona into zakho ziqhakamba zithi ziphakama zibamhlophe zibamnyama wenza umsebenzi kaThixo ebese ukuthi leyo nqola iwenza umsebenzi kaThixo uma ingaphazamiseki. Thatha leyo mali eyokugcina impela, thatha leyo mali yothenga ipholo athi obhala kahle. Glory to Jesus. Athi obhala kahle encwadini kalokho uJesu watshela uPetro wathi thatha lamanethi nowaphonsa ekugcineni. Glory to Jesus. Thatha inethi njengamanje angizwa yini ukuthi ngikwenza. Thatha inethi njengamanje uyiphonse ekugcineni. Glory to Jesus. Zithandwa zokumkhonza uThixo. Thatha inethi manje uyodobha ipholo. Inethi ayingene ejuleni manje ibuye nepholo. Yangizwa yini?
Hayi. Usile nkaro usile wena.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yo.
Hawu.
Ke mo sa.
Slow.
Slow.
Nazi ngiphatha ngapha. Awufula amakhepha.
Yo bazothatha 1-1.
1, 2, 3, go.
Utshepa mosadi. Ke mosadi.
Mami ngiyatheleka. Excuse.
Yena ayakwe.
Usla futhi lona phezulu. Nakakhanga sengikudla wena ngishaya ngapha.
Yes.
Hey.
Yena ayakwe. Uthini ngane?
Baba ngeke baba uyahlekisa.
ene o busy o thabetse December ene ma-teachere a lokwa ba cabana ko marking kwa gore ba o fetise gore bjang
Fetisa ngwana
ba lwana ke di-paper tsa gago ba di lebeletse
Let's speak. Oh, batla go utlwa.
rata ditaba.
Hello Rakgadi.
hello honorable
Rakgadi, ne go te ke go botse gore na o tlo kgona go tla mo mosebetsing ka next week.
ke go boleletse la ska sala ka gona le ba loi ba babedi ba ga ke tle mo nna
Ya ska ba le ka ba re ba lo wena ska.
Rakgadi ke ntse
Ya wa ska la mo.
ile la speaker nna le ntshosen papa tshwara ya lo phone o tlo ska dopa gona tlo ke ba tlo etsa
E o tla bua ya lo mo phone ga o lo bua face to face le nna. Mathapelo. Yo bona do cha yo. Yo.
hello o tlo le teng
Hello ntse ke le teng Rakgadi.
o ka mmangwana go le mmamogolo wa ga
Ya ke ba ba fetsa go wa fela mo ya ke itse ba shapile ke lero go tsa ga go dumele go fela ba wela mo fatsheng.
no that's good so ba bang ba kae
E ba bang ba tshabile.
so go setse wena wa ke tshwara ya lo phone ne gona le ntho ke batla go etsa ka pelo ska drop
Makusaqala kuba ngazathi nje umnikeze uNkulunkulu.
Mina lento yomjoli yangihlula. Dabo manje bafuna ngibe yislim and I can't.
Ungakajolelwa ke mongakazi ujolelwe umuntu wakho uzumphe iadvice ukuthi okungcono akajoyine nabantu ongabazi.
Jesus.
Jola kuyisicefe nje. Sekumele ngikamba mangake ngithi ngiyakukhumbula akungena ukudla ngikhumbule wena.
Umjolele kanti akakujoleli.
Ulishaya isifuba kanti yakuphike ebantwini.
Ungamjoleli kanti uyakujolela.
Uzithi preventela usungamethi avela hamba omethi somuntu.
Akunandaba. I don't care.
Umjolo ungifundisa ukuthi umuntu wakho uyakwazi ukuba online but not for wena.
La.
Uyayiva ke ngokho.
Kunamadoda aphuphile. Sengazi uhlulwe intombi uzuyofuna usizo kumashow o YouTube.
Iyoyo le.
Mina ngizwani nesishimane.
Lahle yidlozi. Awunendoda ehamba lezinto.
Economic Freedom Front and Democratic Alliance formed a coalition immediately after elections.
I don't think they will appreciate you calling them Economic Freedom Front.
EFF.
Freedom Fighters.
Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you, Commissioner. Thank you for correcting me. I usually call EFF. Yes. Sorry.
Please place your full names on record.
I'm Julius Dr. Mkwanasi.
And please switch on the second one. Thank you. And maybe if you can, just try to pull them closer to you.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner.
Thank you. Do you swear that the evidence you are going to give is the truth, the whole truth?
Yes, Commissioner, I swear that the evidence.
Just a minute.
Oh, yes, I swear.
Just a minute.
Yes, I swear that.
No. Please don't rush. Let me start all over and just listen.
And wait.
Do you swear that the evidence you are going to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? If so, please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
So help me God.
Thank you, Brigadier.
I wanted briefings, Matota. Sorry.
You see?
Colleagues.
You see?
How were you working? How are you working? Remember, we don't talk, me and Mr. Spies. You see, I'm supposed to get a briefing, you see. But this one is not going to get any briefing. And I must mention that when I took off as a Deputy Chief of Police, I didn't get any debriefing.
Well, then now, guys, thanks for watching and thanks for supporting this channel. See you in the next upload. Like, comment, and share. Azish.
Kila